What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. For today's for today's video, what we're gonna do, I'm just gonna pretty much debadge my bike. I'm gonna debadge it and I'm gonna do GP shift. We're also gonna do it with my brother's bike. I'm gonna get rid of the GSXR sign because not a big fan of that color actually. I mean, it does look pretty cool. Don't get me wrong, you know, it does look pretty cool. What do you guys think? And if I do not like it no more, I plan on doing something like another logo like this here, like that, maybe carbon fiber or something that's for the future. My bike looks good right here. It looks really good right here. The shade and everything just makes it look. Oh my god, dude, can I just rip it off like this? You think if I grab a blow dryer? Alright, as you guys can see, I'm doing it one little chip at a time. I'm probably gonna pull this off first, make it a little easier for me, I don't know. Put this off for like 20-30 minutes. This is as far as I got. And I started doing this side a little bit. And this is how far I got. This is gonna be a minute. Hopefully the heat will help it out. Drive, let's go. Come on, I thought you were driving. Come on, Roscoe. Come on, me and baby's trying to go somewhere. Oh, you don't want to drive nowhere. There we go, back at it again. Sitting here by my bike, heating it up. 2 hours later. This is gonna make it way easier. Yeah, way easier just using this. You said rubbing alcohol will get this off, right? Yeah. We got my boy Javier here. Wanna say what's up to the camera? Perfect, I'm done. I think I'm done, guys. So I think it looks pretty cool without it, you know. I actually like it a whole lot better without it. I think it looks way cleaner. Before, after. Yeah, this makes it look like a Batmobile. Yeah, so I'm laying some rubbing alcohol on her so she can clear up with all that stickiness. It looks pretty cool. I think it looks good. It looks real good. Yeah, I think it looks real good. The only thing I don't like, I think, is the gold right here. Here we go. Now it's time to do the other side.
Yeah. 13, 17. 17, 13. 11, 37. Yeah. Pull up on the scene. Pull up with my team. And I'm on 3 things. What the fuck you mean? Purple, white, and green. Purple, white, and green. I ain't never going back to broke again.
Okay, I put up with my team, you brought joy. That's a combination. She hit my line back to back. That's a combination. Broke the door down to the game. Had the combination. Got the Jew. That's why you clawing for some conversation.
Yeah. Look at Molly Lean, combo number 3. Look me in my eyes, tell me what you see. Young nigga about racks and bands. Combine that and flex on Instagram. Goddamn, double cup, pump me up, let me begin. Fuck is you saying? Tell me I beat it up, wake up and do it again. Combo, make your face do the George Condo. My flow, Pablo, Picasso, I know. I'ma pull up on your gate, what's the combination?
Now all I gotta do now is pretty much just put the rubbing alcohol to it, and it's pretty much this side's done. This side right here, I think this side came out really good. Exactly, pretty much what I was thinking about too. I like it.
Looking smooth.
No, it looks like the back.
Sean Morgan Vlogs over here looking smooth.
Ooh, Sean Morgan Vlogs out here. Check it out. Subscribe if you're not a subscriber. Like if you're not a liker. You know what I mean? Comment if you're not a commenter. Because we subscribe on this channel.
You got your friends, it's a compilation. Come and take a trip with me, let's go on vacation. Hundreds, 50s, 20s, what a combination. Yeah, pull up on the scene, pull up with my team. And I'm on 3 things, what the fuck you mean?
Raindrops. I see raindrops. So we brought the bikes in because now after I debadged the bike, now I gotta start doing the GP shift to it where it's opposite. I want it 1 up, 5 down. So I'm gonna do it opposite today. We're also gonna do it to both bikes. So that should be fun. So I kinda got a little jump start on it. I didn't have the proper tools to take this part off, so I just did it off camera. I took the clip off of this part right here. I had to take this little thing off so I can just, you know, bring it right out, and that's it. So it's like this. You just unclip this part, pull it apart. I'm sure most of you know. Take that off, and then this just slides right off. And now I gotta pretty much take this thing up here off and move this thing.
Ooh, that should be fun. We about to be
There's so much coming to these bikes. Never introduced them to the channel. Our first bikes we've ever had, so, you know, love them. I love mine. I rode over in his a few times. I love it. So the first thing I gotta do is I gotta get a socket. I gotta get a socket and put it in my pocket.
Ooh,
Ooh, you heard the flows?
that was some bars right there.
Yeah, bro, I'm telling you.
Ooh.
I'm telling you, I'm thinking I'll becoming a rapper.
You guys see the little sprinkles? Little sprinkles. I don't even know it's supposed to rain today.
But I'm gonna watch it and tell me. Back at it again with another mother.
Damn, Daniel. Back at it again with these.
In the meantime, I'm gonna take this off. I'm gonna mark it, take it off, and I'm going to paint this black. Then I'm gonna pull my rear sets off on this side, both sides, and I'm gonna paint these black. Perfect. Find out a way to take this bolt off because that bolt's giving me issue. I gotta take this off to move it to that hole so that I can do my whole GP shifting. I gotta take this off because I gotta paint this too. I don't think anyone's honestly gonna be able to tell the difference because of how good my painting skills are.
Ta-da! Bye, have a beautiful time.
But this, I can't take this off because this is stripped right here. These things are stripped. Pretty sure you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so now I got it matched off as best as I could, you know what I mean? So those bolts are stripped. I'm just gonna go for it. This is for the boys and girls. Oh, and we just made money right now. Just made a sale. I would show you guys, but it shows our store and everything, but it's on there. You see it right there? Shopify. And then, see, 89 from online order. This is the first spray for y'all. Alright, so I'm on this side right here. Now I'm not having trouble with this. I was able to screw this off. So now we getting that GP shift, boys. So there you go. Those are black. This side's done already.
Yeah, this side came out real clean. Surprisingly exquisite.
Surprisingly, this item came out very exquisite. I don't say so myself. Oh yes, that looks really good. Yeah, so we put the bike back together. Now we just pretty much
About to find out what's under here.
we got a brand new bike.
Just got it today. Just came in
the mail. The mailman just dropped it off right now. And this is his bike. This is his new bike that he
my
got.
new one.
So you guys stay to the end of the video to see what kind of bike this is. Nah. There we go, boys. Boys and gals. Gals and boys and bows and dows. See, as you see, we got the business going on over there while we over here working. So we took, you know, two birds, one stone. So this is the part I had to get off. Now, that piece, so it was in this, and it was hitting this thing. So now, moving it to this side so that we can do the GP shift. Okay.
Damn, Sean, where you get all of that?
I got a fat ass, huh?
Nah, I was talking about your bike.
Oh, me too.
Oh, your bike do got fat ass, you're right.
Yeah, you know?
Yeah.
You know, I'm just trying to put this in position, how I marked it. See how I marked it with this shit right here? You guys see that right there? Somewhat. So, gotta match that up with the lines that I made pre on this so that, you know, it rides delicious.